Good morning children. Now we are learning lesson 6, that is formatting data in MS Excel 2010. In this block we have already discussed about font group. Come on, let's see a small recap of font group. First, changing font type. To change the font type, you need to select the cell that has contents and then click the arrow next to the font option. This is font option. A drop down list appears. You need to scroll down and select the font that you want. It will change the font in the selected cell. Next, changing font size. To change the size of the font, you need to select the cell that has contents and then click on the arrow next to the font size option. This is font size option. A drop down list appears. You need to select the size that you want. The size of a font is measured in points. There are 72 points in an inch. You can also change the font size by using the increase font size and decrease font size button in the font group on the home tab. This is increase font size button and this is decrease font size button. Next, changing font color. To change the font color, select the cell that has content. Click on the arrow next to font color option. This is font color option. When you click on the arrow, it will show the color palette. You can choose a color that you want. You can also click on the more colors option to get a wider range of colors to choose from. Next, bold, italics and underline. You can emphasize the contents of a cell by making the text bold by using italics or by underlining the text. To do this, to make the text bold, just click on the B icon. It denotes bold. To use italics, you need to click on the I icon, that is italics. To underline the text, you need to click on the U icon. It means underline. If you want to double underline the text, you need to click on the arrow next to the U icon and select double underline option. Next, applying background color. To apply background color of your cell, you need to select that cell and then click on the arrow next to the fill color option. This is fill color option. When you click on this, you will get the color palette. You can choose the color that you want. Next, applying borders. To apply border to the range of cells or a table, you need to click on the arrow next to the borders option. When you click on the arrow, it shows a drop down menu. Select any border style. It will apply to the range of cells or table. You can also draw customized border with a different line style and line color by clicking on the line color option from the borders drop down menu. Choose the line color and then from the line style option choose the line style and select draw border or draw border grid option to draw the border to your range of cells or table. These are the topics we discussed in the previous class. I hope you all are clear with these topics. Next, question of the day. Today our question is, which option will you select to merge the cells but the contents will not be arranged in the center? I repeat the question. Which option will you select to merge the cells but the contents will not be arranged in the center? You need to answer this question in the online exam section on your school app. Shall we move on to today's class? Nice. Now tell me, how do you align the text in a cell? We already learned about entering data in the cell, editing data in the cell. Now how do you align the text in a cell and how do you change the direction of the text in Excel? Come on, let's see in today's topic. So today our aim is learn how to format numbers and to change alignment, direction and indentation. And today's topic is alignment and number group. First, we are going to learn some keywords and its meaning. First keyword, alignment. It means position of the text. Alignment is the position where data is placed within the boundary of a cell. Next, orientation. It means direction of the text. Orientation is the rotation of the text in different angles inside the cell. Next, indentation. Indentation means distance between the cell boundary and the text. I hope you all are clear with the meaning of these keywords. Come on, let's move on to the topic. First, alignment group. What is alignment? Just before we have discussed about it, alignment is the position where data is placed within the boundary of a cell. By default, the numbers are right aligned and the text is left aligned in a cell. Next, changing alignment of text. How to change the alignment of the text? To change the vertical alignment of cells, you need to click top align, middle align or the bottom align option in the alignment group. These are the vertical alignment options. Top align, middle align and bottom align. To change the horizontal alignment, you need to click left align, center align and right align options in the alignment group. These are the horizontal alignment options. Come on, I'll show you some alignment options. Top align, middle align and bottom align are the vertical alignment options. First, top align. You need to click on the top align icon. This is top align option. Click on that. It will align to the top. Next, middle align. First, you need to select the text and click on the middle align option. This is middle align option. When you click on that, it will middle align. Next, bottom align. Select the text that want to bottom align and then click on the bottom align option. It will align to the bottom. The left align, center align and right align are horizontal alignment options. To change the horizontal alignment, select the cell and click on the left align option. It will align to the left. Next, center align. Select the cell and then click on the center align option. The text will be aligned to the center. Next, right align. Select the cell. Click on the right align option in the alignment group. It will be aligned to the right. Next, orientation. What is orientation? Yes, orientation refers to the rotation of the text in different angles inside the cell. These are some orientation options. Angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up and rotate text down. You can do more alignment by clicking on the format cell alignment option. Come on, let's see the orientation options. First, angle counterclockwise option. Select the cell and then click on the arrow next to the orientation button. It will show all the orientation options. I am going to select angle counterclockwise. This is angle counterclockwise direction. Next, angle clockwise direction. Select the cell and then click on the arrow next to the orientation button. Select angle clockwise option. This is angle clockwise direction. Next, rotate text up. Select the cell. Click on the arrow next to the orientation option and select the option rotate text up. Now the text will be changed. Next, rotate text down. Select the cell. Click on the orientation button and select the option rotate text down. Now the text changed its direction. Next, vertical text. Select the cell. Click on the orientation button and select vertical text option. Now text changed into vertical direction. Next, what is indentation? Indentation means it is the distance between the cell boundary and the text. This is the indentation options in the alignment group. This is decrease indent and this is increase indent. Come on, let's see about the indentation. Select the cell and click on the increase indent. When I click on this option, indent is increasing. Can you see that? To decrease the indent, click on the decrease indent option. It will decrease the indents. Next, working with long text. When your text cannot fit in a cell, it will fill the adjacent cell also. You can let the data fill to the adjacent cell, but when you enter the data in the adjacent cell, the previous cell's data will be hidden. So, there are two options to control the display of the text. They are wrap text and merge and center. First, wrap text. By using this option, you can wrap up the text into multiple lines. To do that, you need to select the cell and then click on the wrap text option in the alignment group. This is wrap text option. Come on, let's see the wrap text option in Excel. Now my content is exceeded out the A column. That means my content is in one cell, but it filled A1 and B1 both cells. When I enter any other content in B1 cell, the A1 cell's content will be hidden. In this place, the wrap text option will be useful. Select the cell and click on the wrap text option. The content wraps up into multiple lines. The next way to control the display of text is merge and center. By using this option also, we can control the long text. Merge means combining two or more cells into a large cell. To merge the cells, first you need to select the cells and then click on merge and center option in the alignment group. This is merge and center option. Come on, let's see about merge and center in Excel. Here my content is present in B1 and C1 both the cells. When I add content to C1 cell, the partial content of B1 will be hidden. So we need to merge two cells. To merge the cells, first you need to select the cells and then click on the merge and center option. Now B1 and C1 both the cells are merged and the content aligned to the center. When you click on the arrow next to the merge and center button, it will show four options. They are merge and center, merge across, merge cells and unmerge cells. The merge and center option is used to merge the cells and the contents of the cell will be centered in the merged cell. Then merge across and merge cells. By both of these options, the cells will be merged but the contents will not be arranged in the center. And finally, unmerge cells. By using unmerged cells option, you can split the merged cells again. Now my content is in B1 and C1 and the both cells are merged together. Now select that merged cell and I am going to select the unmerged cell option. Now the merged cell splitted again. These are the options that are present in alignment group. Come on, let's see a small recap of the options in the alignment group. They are vertical alignment buttons, horizontal alignment buttons, decrease indent and increase indent, merge and center button, wrap text option, and finally it is text orientation button. Next, number group. What is the use of the number group? Commonly we use numbers in various formats, right? For example, when we use the numbers in date, we use a format, and when we use the numbers in time, we use another format. When we use the numbers in currency, we use another format. Come on, let's see about the number group. In the number group, there are various options to format the numbers. We can specify the number of decimal places. We can add commas to separate long numbers into thousands. We can place a currency sign in front of the number and we can display the number as a percentage. Come on, let's learn the options present in number group. First, accounting number format. By using this option, we can add a currency symbol and a decimal point to the number value. This is accounting number format options. We can add the currency symbol according to the countries by selecting the represent country name. Next, comma style. By using comma style, we can add a comma between thousands in number values. Next, percent style. By using percent style, the percent style option multiplies the number value by 100 and displays the number value with a percentage sign. Next, increase decimal. By using this option, we can increase the number of digits after the decimal point. Similarly, decrease decimal. This option reduces the number of digits after the decimal point. Next, number format. How to applying number format? To apply the number format, you need to select the cell that has contents and then select the appropriate option from the number group. For example, if you need to add comma style, you need to click on the comma style button in the number group. If you need to add a percentage sign, you need to click on the percent style button in the number group. If you need to increase the number of digits after the decimal point, you need to click on the increase decimal button on the number group. These are the options that present in the number group. Come on, let's see a small recap of the options in the number group. They are: this is number format option. Next, accounting number format option. And this is percent style option. This is comma style. And these are increase and decrease decimal button. Now today's class has been completed. I hope you all are clear with these topics. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Next, your today's homework. First question. What are the three options for horizontal and vertical alignments in a cell? Second question. What are the default alignments of numeric data and text data? Third question. How does MS Excel display long text? Fourth question. What does the merge and center feature do? Fifth question. What are the function of comma style and accounting number format option in the number group? And the last question. What is the function of the wrap text button in the alignment group? These 6 questions are your today's homework. Do your homework regularly. Don't keep pending. And don't forget to get the sign from your parents in the planner. As we completed block 5, today you will having an assessment of block 5, that is editing worksheets in MS Excel 2010. Don't forget to attend the block assessment at 5 to 8 pm. Next, an open question to answer in the comment section. The question is, which options are used for controlling the display of text while working with a long text? What is the use of that options? I repeat the question. Which options are used for controlling the display of text while working with a long text? What is the use of that options? Answer this question in the comment section. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. God bless you.